So May is Mental Health Awareness Month in America, and it's kind of ironic, right? Because in many parts of the world, so many of us are still in quarantine. I have been holed up for 9 weeks now in my apartment, and I've only been out twice in the last 55 or so days. And the funny thing about quarantine is that it is one of the worst possible things for your mental health because of the isolation, the lack of sunlight, the disruption of your day-to-day living. And so while it is Mental Health Awareness Month, it's kind of ironic because so many of us are seeing a decrease in our mental health. Stress is up, anxieties and fears are up. Check out this statistic, it is telling. And so what we wanted to do here in Mindvalley is to do something for our community. And I thought that I would bring in one of the most remarkable teachers that actually teach you tools to shift the way your mind and your brain processes the world around you so that you are at the peak of your mental health. Now his name is Paul McKenna, and if you are living in the UK, you've probably heard of him because he is one of Britain's most famous hypnotherapists. He's had his own show on television, he's worked with Ellen DeGeneres, David Bowie, Simon Cowell, and Paul McKenna is remarkable because he's not just going to lecture you on mental health, he's going to give you tools and techniques that actually retrain your brain and your subconscious to perceive situations where otherwise you might feel fearful or anxiety or stressed out, but to view those in completely different ways so you're blissful, you're calm, and you sail over the road bumps of life effortlessly. So check out our masterclass with Paul McKenna. Now here's what's unique about this masterclass. You do not want to be watching this while doing anything else. You want to be clear, focused, present, because Paul is going to personally lead you and direct you through 2 powerful techniques to shift your state of mind. The first is called the havening technique, and this is one of the most powerful ways to truly relax and move yourself to a blissful state. And then he's going to teach you a unique technique that he developed. He learned this from the famous Genpo Roshi. It's called the big mind technique, but it's infused with hypnotherapy. You're going to go through the big mind hypnotherapy, which has been proven by science to get you into states of relaxation that you often only see in monks who have spent years in meditation. And you'll attain those states of relaxation almost instantly using this big mind hypnotherapy. All of this is in the masterclass. This is one of those rare masterclasses where we're not just lecturing you, you're going to be in for a full-on experience. Tune in with me and Paul McKenna. Click the link in the bio.